Yesterday I had an issue with my motorcycle tire. I want to use that bike to go to work, and it's been 6 days since the last time I'm using that bike because I just come back from my hometown, and as I use that bike, I noticed my tire is losing pressure. So I thought, yeah, maybe because I leave it for too long, the pressure was gone, and I ride that bike to go to nearest petrol station, and then there I fill up my tires, and it felt solid, and I thought, oh, I think I can ride this bike to work, and then after 500 meters, it's flat again, and then I there is this motorcycle workshop near the petrol station, so I thought maybe if I go there, I can change the inner tube. And then I go there. The first time I went there at petrol station, the workshop hasn't been opened yet. But the moment I come back, it's already open, and I'm grateful with it. So I change it. Change it. I start to tell a little bit like the tube is recently changed actually, and I want him to check it properly so that it won't be repeated again. And then he changed it, and then I go to work. So about 1,000 kilometers, it's flat again. So and then I come back to the workshop. I ride very slowly because it's wobbling on the rear tire, and I try to maintain it to make sure that the tire is not come off from the rim. If it's come off, then it will be in much more worse situation. So then I go there, and then he is pretty shocked. He check it again, and he found uh, this needle, and he said he's sorry because he didn't notice in the first checking, and after that he offered to change it for free, and then after that it's okay now. The reason why I'm telling you this story is because at that time I was so stressed out. I'm a little bit of angry, but I interrupted in a second. 2 seconds after that, I changed my chemistry, my bad emotion to the elevated emotion, the emotion that I want. Because I've learned that your feelings, your well-being, your state of being create your reality. So why would I be in a state of uncooperative, impatient, angry, and I will influence the matter out there with the things that I don't want. Because if you observe yourself, there are times when you are not in the best emotion state. What happens? You extract all those negative things, and also it's a way for me at that time. After I interrupt it, I think of like I think it. Why don't I take this opportunity? This opportunity doesn't happen often. It's rare occurrence. So why not? I try to practice myself to generate joy, generate elevated emotion in this environment that is not that it's not fun for me. It's not good for me. But I overcome my body at that time, all the past beliefs, all the memories emotion that I have with something that is quite similar to this accident, to this experience. I get over that. I get over my environment. I get over my time. I don't care how long does it take. I will be in that state forever. And then when the last time I go to that workshop, I try to creating my mind. What if I don't have to pay anything for this last repair? And then in like few seconds, the foreman there said to me, "Oh, you don't have to pay for this." So that's the example of me trying to practice, trying to be in that state of elevation, and it's really changed the result that you can get in your life. Thank you.